Importance of meteorological or agrometeorological data in Kurdistan region. The region. The three governorates, Erbil, Duhok, and Suleimani, are located in the northern part of the Republic of Iraq, known as Kurdistan. The region lies between latitudes 34.5 degree north and 37.4 degree north, and between longitudes 42.4 degree east and 46.3 degree east. The elevation of the region varies from 140 meters to about 3,600 meters above sea level. The region is the major part of what's called the Fertile Crescent. Meteorology Research Unit. In August 2007, a unit for meteorology research has been established in Kurdistan region, Iraq. The unit is considered as a part of the Center for Scientific Research, which in turn directly linked to Salahuddin University, Erbil, SU. Salahuddin University Erbil in Iraq has installed an automatic weather station at Kurdistan Agricultural Field of the College of Agriculture, which continuously records data on an hourly basis. The station is manufactured by ELE International of the United Kingdom. This is an image of the Kurdistan Agricultural Automatic Weather Station installed at Salahuddin University, Erbil. Objectives. The unit aims to supervise all meteorological, agrometeorological, and climatological stations and rainfall recording sites network established in Kurdistan. The daily recorded data by these stations are collected, analyzed, processed, and used by postgraduate students in related fields of interest. Application of the data in determination of impact of climate on the infrastructure of the economy of Kurdistan is the major task of the center. The unit acts as a meteorological service advice center to provide valuable climatic information in Kurdistan to all governmental and private sectors in the region. It has been considered as the cornerstone of future meteorological weather forecasting center in Kurdistan. The network. The local weather and climate of a region is usually determined through data and information collection by meteorological stations. For this reason, a highly developed meteorological network is established in Kurdistan under supervision of the Ministry of Transportation and Ministry of Agriculture, KRG. And this is a complete automatic agrometeorology station at Ankawa Nursery in Erbil. The station is capable of recording 16 parameters instantaneously and transmitting to a distance of 20 kilometers to nearby office. The station is installed and set into operation by FAO Agrometeorology Unit in December 1st, 2002. Meteorology services essentially government activities in that a high proportion of the work is of benefit to the general public rather than the individual. For example, there is a widespread concern about impact of weather and climate on agriculture crop production, planning, transportation, agrometeorological crop forecasting philosophy, and increasing aridity through climate change. Strong government intervention through extension, regulation, incentives, and rehabilitation programs are necessary to address such concerns. And this is Shuarta Manual Meteorological Station. The economy. The meteorology program supports all economic, agriculture, and industrial product activities. It assists services to the community to help develop sustainable and economically viable production systems, improve production and quality, reduce losses and risks, decrease costs, increase efficiency in the use of water, labor, and energy, conserve natural resources and decrease pollution by agricultural chemicals or other agents that contribute to the degradation of the environment, that's air pollution, water and soil contamination. Meteorological events, major meteorologically associated events, such as extended droughts, have made planners in many regions aware of the importance of timely and practical meteorological information necessary for the success of many national projects and enterprise. As an applied science, meteorology benefits and contributions are sought in virtually all countries around the globe. Due to the importance of the climatic data on agricultural crop production and its impact on life in general, and its effect on the infrastructure of the economy of Kurdistan, in December 1999, Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations, FAO, Coordination Office for 3 governors of Kurdistan, Erbil, Duhok, and Suleymania, has established Agro-meteorology unit to provide services of agro-meteorology information to the agriculture sector in the region. The unit has started by rehabilitating 8 existing meteorological stations in the 3 governorates, installed 24 manual agro-meteorology stations, 9 automatic stations, 6 complete automatic stations, 94 rain gauges, and 18 rainfall data logger systems. The installation of these stations created an excellent agro-meteorology or meteorological network in Kurdistan, which is considered to be unique in the Middle East. These sites are well geographically distributed, covers all the area in accordance to the World Meteorological Organization standards. And this is a rainfall recorder and totalizer on recording amount of rainfall on daily basis. The program, establishment of research meteorological unit at Salahuddin University, Erbil, carried out a well-planned program consists of the following: continuous collection of all meteorological parameters on hourly and daily basis in the 3 governorates. The data is analyzed and carefully studied by researchers in order to determine climatic features of the region and their impact on the agriculture economy development. The unit strategy is to organize and equip the local authority with techniques and methods to observe, acquire, record, analyze, and exploit ground-based and remotely sensing meteorological data in an efficient manner. And this is a comparison of the rainfall data, historically averaged as of 2003 in Duhok, that's the west of Kurdistan region, and Pejwin, east of Kurdistan region. The unit tries to focus on impact of climatic parameters on food security program in Kurdistan by determining crop water requirements, irrigation requirements, and field water supply for major strategic crops. These have great effect on small and marginal farmers' economy. In addition, crop forecasting, which is the art of crop yields, tons per hectare, and production before the harvest actually takes place, typically a couple of months in advance. Through the crop phenology activities are the major issues of the unit's concern. This table shows monthly average data of meteorological, agro-meteorological parameters, 3 years average recorded at Bakrajo Automatic Station. The research unit continuously held trainings in collaboration with expertise at the university in an effort to improve the knowledge of local meteorology staff and increase their ability to understand the operation of the meteorological stations, maintenance, and methodology of data collection. The training covers an overview of the role of meteorology in developing an increase of agricultural crop production in the region, meteorology instruments, meteorology data analysis, operation, including data collection, analysis, dissemination, and technical documentation of meteorology network, proper use of meteorological instruments, accuracy and quality of the data reading, maintenance of the instruments, calculation of reference evapotranspiration using FAO Penman-Monteith equation through FAO tools such as CropWatt and Agrometeorological. These two pictures shows a training program held for the staff working on agro or meteorological stations in network. Field trips. In addition, the unit organizes field activities and trainings for university students, agriculture, physics, biology, and geography specialists, and courses for farmers on use of meteorology in agricultural crop development and on the climatic hazards and warnings of expected winter frosts in protection of agricultural products using early warning system. This early warning system will be established through satellite communication systems by sending short message through mobile phone message to the participated and subscribed farmers. Local TV and radio broadcasting will also be used for this purpose. Postgraduate studies. The unit accepts postgraduate students and awards both MSc and PhD degrees in meteorology, agrometeorology, solar radiation, and related topics in accordance to the university standards. Providing the community with well-graduated and qualified cadre in meteorology or agrometeorology is the major concern of the unit. This is another picture of training workshops for the staff who are operating and working at the meteorological or agrometeorological stations in network. The major activities of the unit are collection of meteorology data from manual stations twice a day, collection of hourly values of agrometeorology data from automatic weather stations 3 times a month, archiving, processing, recorded agri-meteorological data in a database, providing local authorities by daily agrometeorology information. This table is another table shows a 3 years average of meteorological and agrometeorological parameters recorded at Kurdistan automatic station. The strategy is to insert and involve the science of meteorology in all aspects of life in Kurdistan and to improve the ability of the community to understand the direct link of weather and environment on the daily activity and economy. The strategy is also to develop a sustainable meteorological, agrometeorological network system. The unit will secure a reasonable understanding of the impact of climatic information in improving of agriculture, crop production, building design, construction of roads, bridges, and dams in Kurdistan. Graduation of highly qualified students in this field will be achieved. Early warning system is established and agrometeorological information transmitted to the farmers through mobile phone. This table is another automatic weather station at Mawat region. Also, average of 3 years of meteorological parameters recorded in Mawat automatic station. All general science students at university will be well trained according to the modern methodology of the meteorology as an applied science. Modern system of scientific education and technologies will be presented to the students and all meteorological staff in different locations in Kurdistan. All local staff working at the climatic stations and at the network will be vocationally trained according to their duties and responsibilities on subjects related to operation and maintenance of equipment or instruments. New operation methodologies, modern systems, and technologies will be presented to the attendants. This table is another, the data, 3-year data average recorded at Gopal Automatic Weather Station, which is located just behind Baharka in Erbil Governorate. Problems to be addressed. First, real data collection through establishing sustainable meteorological observatories network. 2, the necessity of meteorological and climatological data for planning and operational activities of the transportation sector imposed the awareness of rehabilitation and implementation of the related infrastructure. 3, complete and well-established meteorological stations are to provide the whole community with important information needed for timely scheduling the daily activities and other plans. This table is another, a 3-year average of data recorded at Degala Automatic Weather Stations, which is located between Erbil and Koysanjak. 4, reduced unexpected expenses by establishing early warning system, which could occur as a result of unforeseen extreme weather conditions. That is to say, extended hailfall, frost, and frost days, which have great effect on transportation, especially in the mountain regions, on upslope and downslope roads during winter months. 5, determination of drought conditions trend cycles facing the region, which has negative impact on agricultural crop production in the region. This is also a 3-year average data recorded at Jaylan Automatic Weather Station, just located some 10 kilometers west of Accra. And this one is also a 3-year average recorded data at Kadesh Automatic Weather Stations located between Swaratuka and ئامادةى in Doha Governorate. And these references could be useful for any end users. And thank you very much for your attention.